at the umbrellas in the sky. We can leave our bags with.
And nice.
It's warm. Let's try some rum. So we're going to the sample ice cream. That's cute. Dark chocolate. It's warm. As a baker.
As a manufacturer.
Thank you.
Like and share, comment and subscribe.
I think I like down at town. Just in case you need motivation.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on my face. I hope you enjoyed the vlog, girl.
Hey, I look homeless, but we're officially done with Freeport. And we're going back to Nassau now. Wanna get to flight?
So we're officially done with Freeport. So we're off on the islands and we're going back to mainland Bahamas and we're going to Nassau. I'm sorry, I was just being very nice. I was saying that is water and that is land.
We're in Nassau. Let's get it. So we're back.
We're back in Nassau. Alex slightly homeless, but we're going out now. Alright. So it's our last full day, I think, in Nassau, and let's just look around. So these are the streets of Nassau, and we have quite an eventful day today. So grab a snack and spend some time with me and my mommy. Let's go.
Hi guys. So I hope you can hear me. Today we are going to do some touristy things. Alright, today we're going to do some walking tour, but it kind of like I arranged it. So basically what we're gonna do today, we're going to make chocolate because my mommy's birthday is coming up in May. Yay! And I wanted to do something fun, so while we're here we're going to do this chocolate making activity. And then what else we're going to do? We're going to do a rum cake. We're going to go to rum cake factory, and then we're going to do probably like a tour there. And then looking at the camera, DJ, and look other places. So we're going to do the rum cake factory, the chocolate making. We're going to go to a place called Tasty's Tea. They sell teas and stuff like that. So we're going to try that. What else? We're going to go to the straw market to get some souvenir for my nephew. What else we're going to do? We're going to go to the Cancer Society because I heard they have a thrift shop and I really want to support that. You know, thrift shopping is my thing. And what else? I think one other thing. The rum factory. Yep, and then we go home. I think people are waiting for me and people are looking. So yeah, let's do this. It's kind of cool with the umbrellas and stuff. Look at the umbrellas in the sky. I was here in Nassau. I think that's really cool with the umbrellas and stuff. Alright, so we're going to get breakfast at Mac and then come back and do the chocolate experience. Alright, let's do this. Kinda cute. We're walking around Nassau. What's big buzz? So we're in downtown Nassau, just walking around. As I was saying, we're going to get McDonald's for breakfast. Because you can get pancakes and stuff like that. What else? And then by the time we're done breakfast, it'll be time to go and make the chocolates. But I was in Nassau, the streets of Nassau. And the traffic I like down at town. Only but traffic on the road. Mommy on the back road. Mommy not trust my judgments. That's the one thing. One thing I'm gonna realize, mommy not trust my judgments. And I can't travel with person who not trust me. You get me? I say can't travel with people who not trust me. Me tell her say we're gonna go round the so and go down. And we're gonna find McDonald's. Mommy see one lady on the road and say, what? Come on, I'm looking at the video. I said, where's the best place to get breakfast? Oh, be careful for some of them. Where's the best place to get breakfast? Yeah, I made it a point.
say pass it till I walk. I say pass it till I walk.
So we're back now, and we're getting in something. Trying to find a chocolate factory there, but whereas the cigar companies on this side, so the chocolate place for probably on the other side. There's a lot of cigar stuff we see over on this side. I think the cigar company is on this side and the chocolate is on the other side. Let's see. Alright, so the chocolate making is this way. Hello.
Let me get your stuff.
Oh, okay.
That's an inquiries.
Okay.
They just started, so you're not actually that late.
Alright.
You wouldn't miss anything.
Okay. The kind of just started. Alright, so good. We can leave our bags with.
Well, you'll be making the chocolate inside.
So we can take our bags inside?
Yeah.
So just put our bags inside. That's over here. Alright. Got the glasses. What's on the front? Mm-hmm. Alright, so put on that thing on the front. Oh, sorry. Can you have a timeline, please?
Ketchup in here.
That's good.
That's it, Bobby.
That's good. That's good, mommy. That's good. That's fine. My hair won't get too chocolate. Dark chocolate. It's warm. Did you say? Thank you. It's good.
So what you guys?
And this one is what type?
This one will be 70% white chocolate and 30% dark chocolate. Together they make the milk chocolate.
Oh, milk chocolate. 70% white, 30% dark. Thank you. Oh wow, this is really good. It's good.
Big anyway. And nice.
It's warm.
I realized that one wasn't warm. The bottom one is black. The dark one was warm. This one was warm. Is there a reason?
So dark chocolate and milk chocolate comes already temped.
Oh,
But right now the dark chocolate machine is kind of not working
oh.
properly. So I thought that's why it can go warm. But usually it would be the same tempted because you want me to try?
Oh, sure.
It can break it down.
Okay. Alright.
And when we take it out, we use a spoon, dip it, touch it on our lip, and we feel a heat sensation that is
Sweet.
Okay, so these are the ingredients that we got to design our chocolate. So we got a marshmallow, pretzels, almond, cranberry, and an Oreo cookie.
Alright, guys, we're going to try and make the chocolate. Mommy's so concerned about my hair, but we're going to try as a baker.
As a manufacturer.
So we got nuts. This is almonds, dark chocolate, one single Oreo. It's like cranberries.
And when you chocolate report that.
Yeah, you normally make it, you then like lay it out. You put it in your whatever you want to use as the inside, the fillings, and then you probably cover it after. And when we did it in Japan, you put it in a freezer. Have a marshmallow. And you have pretzels. I don't like pretzels.
Okay?
Oh,
You're going to get your napkin. Going to crumble it up.
lightly dip it in the olive oil. And then we're going to wipe the mold. So this is the mold. Dark chocolate. You can pour it into the mold.
Your mold. I gotta knock against the table.
You have to knock it like this.
Once you guys it's a lot of work, but really rewarding.
It is. Do you have a YouTube?
No, I know someone that does.
Does okay. You should follow me when you're finished.
I will do that.
Alright. So now you're supposed to make the toppings, put the toppings on the inside.
You gotta not get rid of the bread.
I like cranberries, so we're going to put cranberries.
You can mix everything, right?
Yeah. I don't know what's a real one. I have to jump in real quick to say that this was a really good experience for me and my mommy because we have never done something like this before, and we got the time to, you know, design it. We laugh a little, talk a little. She annoyed me a little, but it was so good. It was such a fun experience, and I would definitely recommend it for a parent, if you're going with your parents, if you're going with your spouses, because you know how the world is. But it was really fun. That's all I can say. It was really fun, very informative. We had a lot of tasting. As you can see, she's stuffing her face, but it was really, really cool. And look at the end result. Mine got a bit cracky, but let's not watch that. I'm still a baker. Yeah, Baker D for you. Thank you. Thank you. To put inside the freezer. And it's set up for the freezer. And these are all yours to eat. I don't like pretzels, so I didn't use them first. I put a lot of almond, a lot of cranberry, and a few Oreos.
You got it.
Hello. Look at the inside of the chocolate. Look after. There's so much. So we're going to try cacao bean. It's like absolutely nothing. Here's a piece.
I need to go there with a try.
I'm not, but here's a piece you can try. It's slightly bitter. This is a dark chocolate. Jamaica.
At first I thought the accent sounded like Jamaican a little bit, but then
Yeah, there's something to it.
I heard the Jamaican accent also.
Alright, so the dark chocolate. It's awesome. Thank you. Now it's time to build the boxes for chocolates to go in, and yep, again, creative D the baker, D the designer, back at it again. So yeah. But all things were provided, and I think I don't remember the cost for it, but you can just Google chocolate factory in Nassau and it will come up. Yeah, I definitely cracked my chocolate. Yeah, I'm aggressive. Look at mommy's own, it's so neat and cute, and look at mine. A mess. So we're finished with the chocolate tour. It was over there. And now we can answer white bags to put your chocolate in. Hello. We have a chocolate. They said they had some sample like on the website that you could try. Shameless snacks. So them have dark chocolate samples. Oh, not that bad. Actually sweet. So it's them shop. Probably get some candy. We're gonna try dark chocolate. It's not that bitter like the one that we've tried directly from the machine. This one is kind of sweet. Let's go. Alright, so we just finished at the chocolate factory, as you can see behind me, and it was really fun. I did it with my mother, and we made chocolate bars, and it was extremely informative and really good and short. I will get samples at the end. I'm going to show you on the inside now. Let's go. Alright, so it's time for us to try some rum. So we're going to the distillery. It's John Watlin's distillery. I'm going to try to get some rum. Mom is in the back. Cross the road. Yeah, let's do this. Alright, so that's the distillery. So at the distillery now, we're going to try and do a tour. They have free tours here, so we're going to try and see if we can get some rum. We're going to try and do the tour today. Let's get it.
Good morning. How are you? Got a pina colada for you, maybe that's for your
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You did it. Try it.
How you doing? Pretty good, thank you. That's good. Thank you.
We get pina colada. Try it.
Somebody's trying to...
Oh, I'm so sorry. You drop in your shirt. Alright, so we get pina colada. Open entrance.
Simply protect the beautiful islands of the Bahamas, but obviously their job is not. All right. Now, what we have in front of us, it is just a water well. Okay, it's not a torture chamber. There you. Everything here at John Watkins is done by hand. Our crew members, they're extremely efficient.
This is the bar.
Okay, so you guys can purchase tastings. The tab on the left, you have an entrance. We have those soft drinks and restaurants. We don't get 10% discount.
Pina colada at the front was really good. Now we think we're going to go to Tasty Teas place. Mommy is trying to get something.
Junk and things. Oh, junk inside. Where's the sample section?
I guess over here so probably have sample section. I don't know. They normally have samples in here, but they might do pina colada at the front. So.
Why don't we go over there?
No, over there is wrapping for buying stuff. Samples right here. It's like a shot of their rum. Thank you. So mommy trying the John Watlins. Go ahead. Strong?
Be good.
I'm going to try the John Watlins It's strong, but if you're sick, you can drink it. Already, that's enough rum for the day. Sure. Ready to taste the teas. Them have lunch on here and stuff. They have food, comforters. So I made it to taste the teas. And they have some tea bags. Hello. Can you try the sample? What type are these?
This right here is our bay lavender, which is good for joint pains, muscle pains, and arthritis. This right here is our no problem.
So good for joint pains, and this one is what?
It's a multivitamin.
Okay, and the red one?
And this one is good for liver detoxing and weight loss.
Okay.
Weight loss and what?
Liver detoxing. What flavor is that?
Hibiscus.
Hi.
Oh, this one is bay leaf. This one is bay leaf. Let's try the multivitamin. So liver cleansing, weight loss. The hibiscus one is nice. Alright. One thing about Jamaica is going to be everywhere. Rasta Bahama, Rasta Man Hot, Pepper Tonic. Huh? Just in case you need motivation. You can get this one. And we have made it to the straw market. Straw market. Got a straw market. Sorry. I'm going to try to find some for my nephew. I always wanted to get him a little guitar, you know.
Get the size you need?
I just one. That's cute. I have right here. You can try.
Yeah, sure. Buy one, get one free. Inside, we have different flavors. We have a bar and restaurant inside. We have great food, a 360 room.
Thank you.
And one beverage.
Sample ice cream here. Let's try it. It tastes kind of like milk powder, but it's very creamy and it's free. Into the rum cake factory. What's your step though? Rum cake factory. Okay, editing D coming in real quick to say the fan. Okay, I'm back. Editing D coming in real quick to say that some of the videos are on my computer and right now I'm editing and I cannot access my computer to show these videos. So I'm very sorry about that. But we had a great time at the rum cake factory. I brought home souvenir for my family. And we did a lot more. Went to a seafood restaurant and they even done by fish fry. I think those clips will come in next week's video, like to wrap up the Bahamas vlog. But I'm very sorry about that. I hope you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Please subscribe. Please subscribe. Please subscribe. I hope I'm looking at the right camera. But please subscribe. Remember to like, share. D loves you. Bye. D loves you. If you made it this far, please remember to share, like, comment, subscribe, give a friend, tell a friend to tell a friend.